This is okay. What? Go watch the show. Go watch the show. Go with that say.
I don't know what that say.
Donnie, putting your toys up then. Put them all away. Put them down. Stop. I don't know why you keep picking them up. Good job, Donovan.
See you later.
Yes, he did. He just didn't put the bag away yet. Sean, get down. Get down, Shawnee. Another short, quick one for you guys. I ran in and out like I normally do. Let's start with the 9. Welcome back, my folks. Hello, newbies. Please enjoy this 99-cent store haul. This is a store that I shop at where you can get the good stuff for your best dollar. All right. So let's just jump right on into it. Starting with the non-food items. This is just like a little basic scrubber. That brand right there, Gourmet dishwasher scrubber, and that's exactly what we use it for, to scrub dishes. It also opens up here so you can like put soap in it. It don't want to open up right now, but it does open up. So, and then if you don't want it to open up and it annoys you, just glue it shut. But anyway, the scrubbers, we also use these scrubbers, the Oxy Action Boost soap pads, 10 heavy duty steel wood soap pads for 99 cents. I think these are like a couple cents cheaper at Walmart, but you know, a cent here and there, give or take, it's cool. You guys know that we love our chocolate spread, our greenest hazelnut spread, 99 cents a jar. Boom Chicka Pop. These bags of popcorn are everywhere by Angie's. This is the microwave version. 4 microwavable fresh pop bowls. This is going to be so interesting. They're bowls, and I guess, you know, you just microwave pop it. It's the sea salt. Love it, love it, love it. Apparently there was a butter flavor, but I missed it. She was like, they had them there this weekend, and they disappeared. And there was only 2 of these boxes left, so I was able to snag this for 99 cents. And, of course, they still have the pre-popped big bags that the popcorn's already popped in, and you can just buy it like that. You know, kind of like a bag like that. But 99 cents for the bag, and for this box is 99 cents. Yes, and the bag popcorn is 99 cents as well. Moving on, I got 2 giant heads of cabbage. The cabbage was 99 cents a piece. Not a pound and stuff like that. But, guys, look at the giant this cabbage is. And it's fresh cabbage. 99 cents a piece. Sweet Southern Heat barbecues. Still have not seen these anywhere. But at the 99-cent store. And this is the most unhealthy thing I purchased. Was the most expensive thing. These chips were $2.49 at the 99-cent store. Nothing else on this table was more than $1.99. But anyway, moving on. Even the string cheese, guys. The mozzarella string cheese. The 12 count. 99 cents for this whole pack. Strawberries. The strawberries were $1.99. They look pretty decent this time around, and the baby wanted some. So we got strawberries, and my kids eat, you know, strawberries and fruit just like that. Select Nature Angus Beef Uncured Beef Franks. You guys see this? 99 cents a pack. You see, y'all know I have to stock up. But it was only 99 cents a pack. So we got the hot dogs there. Avocados, 2, 4, 6, 7 avocados. This is only 99. This is only a $1.99 bag, guys. This bag is only $1. This is 2 pounds of avocados for only $1.99. They're not ready yet. This is awesome. This is great because then they can sit for a while before they're ready. That is a bag, a whole bag of giant lemons, y'all. There's at least 7 in that bag over there. $1.99. You see the brand? Trying to get a good angle. I'm one-handing it right now because the babies. I know you guys hear them in the background. So, $1.99. These lemons are normally like $1 or something a piece. Look how big this lemon is. You might can find these for like $1. If not, they're always gonna be like $1.25, maybe 87 cents, something like that. Not a whole pack of them for $1.99, okay? The bag of onions, these are kind of small onions, but they're just red onions, and I cook a lot of red onions with a lot of different things, and this is only 99 cents a bag. Nestle Toll House crackers, you know we snack, but then the boys love crackers. and you just can't go wrong with crackers, really. 99 cents for the box. Townhouse crackers, 99 cents. This is it for the 99-cent store haul this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure you thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to the subscribe button, so it'll let you know when the video is posted. Okay? Guys, be good to yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Make sure there's something in your cup so you have something to pour out into others. Alrighty? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Ciao.